Did you know that you can print with your cell phone, tablet, or laptop from any of George Brown College's campuses? You just need to connect to GBC Wi-Fi and set up the mobile print on your device. After sending your item to print, you can go to any GBC Library Learning Commons to release your print job. Here's how it works. You can release print jobs from your Android, iOS, OS, Windows, or Chromebook devices. After sending your document to print, go to any of the Library Learning Commons printers and release your item. It's that easy. One nice thing about printing this way is that your work will sit in the system for 12 hours, giving you the opportunity to retrieve your items within that time frame. First-time users of Mobility Print, click on the video link on your screen and I will walk you through the process for your wireless device. Before starting, make sure that you are connected to the GBC Wi-Fi. Now, click on the box that best describes your device to begin setup. For Android setup, click here. For Apple setup, click here. For Windows setup, click here. For Chromebook setup, click here.